hoop jerseys, queuing up wide left. Claky George rips it off the right. It's a good read from Matai Tonga, but it gets to Singh. It's in the hands of Metcalf, and that's the opener at Queen's Own.
It's a great little finish, but again, it's the power of Gloucester Hartpury, is it?
Good work.
Brody denied. Held up. Oh no! Brilliantly wrestled to the floor. Loughborough Lightning bringing the power game by Dowd. Oh, thundered into by Brody and Sangapolu. Beautiful hand. It's not if, it's who will score, and it's Metcalf for a double. Carbon copy to the first. Brutality from the pack. Crisp hands from the backs. Metcalf with the finishing touch.
Set.
Just beginning to roar, putting their voices behind the pack. And a penalty to boot. Singh, first receiver. Metcalf, hat-trick time! She just hasn't missed all afternoon. Now Metcalf bags herself a first half hat-trick. On the back foot, in securing their own ball from various set pieces, but this time it's like clockwork. And now morale gets drawn in. Quilter slid through a hole, offloads to Bo Westcombe-Evans. A searing break, so close. And then Emma Singh's arms arch over. And for all the points she plunders from the tee out wide, that's just saved at least 5 on her try line. Sarah Hunter waiting in the wings to analyse what potentially may come from this claim. There is an ominous inevitability about the rushing current of reds to Loughborough's line. Death, taxes, and Gloucester Hartpury scoring driven more tries. Emma Singh unable to maximise it on this occasion. A rallying cry on the PA for Queen's Own to roar their women to the line once more, and roar they do, and score they will. Georgia Brock.
Get out, boys.
Catherine Tredder and Helen Nelson responding with a 7-pointer. They continue to probe to the left. Singh just had a bit of a juggle, found a way to dribble it through. Then it's the footwork. Oh, Tatiana Hearn, and Metcalf has a miracle fourth. Or does she? So for once, things don't go the way of Gloucester Hartpury. Hunt to Stratford. The Mozo connection. And Gloucester Hartpury running riot on a Sunday at Queen's Own. Quilter backs herself. Quilter for the line. Lightning have their third, and they're in bonus point territory. So much desire. Shekels caught in possession. Really important hit from Matai Tonga, but she can't prevent the inevitable. Closer they go. The line within sight! And just how big will that try be? Christine Belisle to bag a bonus point score for Loughborough Lightning. Helen Nelson tops up her personal season tally right at the death.